Welcome, our doll BFFs.
Welcome to our channel, Nene and Sophia. My name's Nene. I'm an adult doll collector, and I'm Sophia's grandma.
Hi, I'm Sophia, a 10-year-old who likes to play with toys, especially dolls.
And today we are coming with one of our recent deliveries. Excuse my voice. I kind of sound like I got a little frog in there.
Frog.
Yeah, but we just both kind of have a little bit of a cough, and this is kind of how it's sounding. So I apologize, but I really wanted to show you guys this, and I really wanted to take her out of the box. I got one of the holiday dolls. I ordered mine from Walmart because they dropped the same time, I think, that they did on Mattel or shortly after. I felt like June was kind of a downtime for dolls. There wasn't really a whole lot. Like, we knew that some things were coming out, but nothing was dropping. And then July hit, and we have the Rise of Red dolls. We have the Dream Besties. We have the Holiday dolls. We have the Silkstone doll. So it's like everything is, it's like the doll month. And, a little Christmas in July. I thought we would go ahead and unbox her. I did get the redhead doll because she was running out, but there was a few I liked. I don't feel like she's getting a whole lot of good reviews, what I've seen out there as far as this drop altogether. The dress, the choices of face sculpts and things. So let's take a look at her, and we'll give our opinion, which is just an opinion, and I'd like to hear what you guys think.
Yeah.
Okay, so here we go. I always like the tissue. It is. It's like Christmas in July. It's like Christmas time. I contemplated wearing one of my Christmas t-shirts for this video, but we're going out for lunch today to get some sushi.
Well, I don't like sushi, so I'm gonna get something else. But
yeah, she likes the chicken, but I'm gonna get some sushi, and we're really excited about it. So we're ready for our sushi date. So let's take a look at the box.
Cute.
You like it?
I love it.
Now, this Christmas Barbie is retailing, sorry, for $45. I'm trying to think what they were back in the day. I have the first Holiday Barbie.
You have a few of them.
I have a few of them. Grandma Vi, my mom, used to get these for me every year. And when did they start? Around the early 80s. And so I was like already in high school, but that was just like a fun thing for her to get me at Christmas. And it was kind of a newer thing, and they were so beautiful and had the big dresses. But I don't think they were overly cheap then.
Oh, probably not.
Let's look at the back of the box. Okay, it says Holiday Barbie 2024. Wrap yourself up in warmth, elegance, and festive joy for the season. May your 2024 Holiday Barbie bring peaceful and delightful moments to you and those you love. And let's just kind of take a closer look at some of the different choices. I really like this one right here. Somebody said she has the crystal face sculpt. Bless you, baby. And you like the Millie. She loves the Millie. That's her jam. And I really like Teresa. And I like the hairstyle on the African-American Barbie. I don't remember what somebody said her face sculpt was, but I think it's cute too. So I really like all the different faces.
Yeah.
I missed out on the redhead. There was a redhead a year and a half, 2 years ago, 2 Christmases ago for 2022. And I missed her. So I thought, oh, well, I looked on Walmart really quick, and they still had her. So I went ahead with her. Sorry, I had to take a little drink break, a little pause there for a minute. So anyway, 2022, I kind of missed out on the redhead. Like afterwards, people were seeing her pop up places, and I just could never find her. And I've always kind of liked redhead dolls, Barbies. I mean, even when I was younger, some of my not Twist and Turn, but the one that was kind of like the live action Barbie. I had chose the redhead, and my quick girl that I played with all the time was the redhead Kelly doll. So I have always liked that, and I don't know that I have a redhead Holiday Barbie. So I saw that they still had her, and yeah, so I grabbed her. And yeah, so looking at her red hair, and oh my gosh, all of the glare that is happening there. When we get her out, I'll show it to you better, but she has like some streaks in her hair that some blonde highlights, which are pretty
cute.
Now, you really like the box. A lot of people are not pleased with this because they said that the box is AI generated. So artificial intelligence made this pattern on the back.
But I like it.
And so I think that a lot of people are just like, we had artists and things come up with a design before, so they like that better. Now, I do like all of this plaid here. I just really like plaid for Christmas, the reds and the greens. I'm out there with people do like the pink trees, and we saw a couple of those Barbie trees at something the Christmas tree thing we went to last year, and we really like that too. But this plaid, quick little story. When Nene got married in 1989.
Oh.
Yes. We got married Papa and I got married in December. And so all of my bridesmaids wore plaid.
Oh, cute.
So yeah, so this is really, I'm really a fan of this. And like I said, I know some people think the dress looks rather cheap, but I don't know. I think it's pretty. But let's since we've taken a good look at the box now, let's go ahead and take her out so we don't have a glare and we can kind of look at her closer.
Yes. Back.
Yep, we are back, and we got her out with, I think, if you want to get her out and then you want to like rebox her, I didn't have to tear any of this up, and I was able to get her out of this with a minimal amount of anything being tore up. She wasn't too bad to get out. She had like 3 of the ties in her head, which I always hate that. And then they did have this kind of sewn down on the plastic, so like her hair took the most time, and there were a few of the little ties, the little stays, like 4 of them in the very bottom of her skirt, the tiny ones. So those kind of help as far as not having any holes in it. But yeah, so let's take a closer look at her face. She's on the Generation Girl face. She has a very, very dark, shiny red lip, like a very dark, that's a very dark red lip. And then she has these earrings. I'm not sure if they're supposed to be, I don't know what that's supposed to be. Like that, yeah, like it's supposed to be like crystal, you think, or
yeah.
I feel like we could have done a little something, like maybe some like rubies to go with the red, like a spark, some kind of gem, like maybe a red gem, or something that was dangly but like gold.
Yeah.
To go with the metallic in her dress. I just don't. I'm sure somebody designed these and knows a lot more about fashion than I do, but I'm not feeling those. They look out of place. They look like they don't go with the rest of this. Her dress appears to be all one piece. The Velcro's in the back. The bottom is the Christmas plaid tartan taffeta. It has this slit in the front, which is fun. And there is a Barbie tag back here in her skirt. And then the top, don't know what that fabric is. It's got a little bit of a shimmer to it up here on the top.
Yeah.
And then we've got this tulle that wraps around. It does go all the way in the back here, which we like that. And then has this kind of poof in the front and on that one shoulder. She is on a Model Muse body. Okay, so it means like she kind of looks kind of like a model. You know, she's got that knee sticking out and stuff. But that also means she also has some lack of articulation. She, you know, has movement in her head and her shoulders. And, you know, her legs move, but just kind of back and forth. And she doesn't have any articulation anywhere else. But then she also has, you know, like if you want to pose her or whatever, she has pretty legs. She doesn't have those joints in it. Did I show her shoes? She's got kind of a fun style, kind of a big heel on those shoes. Those are kind of neat. It would have been nice to have maybe like a little gold bow.
Yeah.
Because there is a bow on the front, but it'd been nice to have like a little bit of painted detail in that.
I don't like the color of the lipstick. I feel like that just, because you could have just done like a brighter red, because I feel like that doesn't go with the red.
Okay. All right.
That's on the dress. So that's just one thing. I felt like they could just done a
See, and I really liked it. But like I said, just our opinion, and we differ a lot of times.
Oh, yeah.
Would you say that her eyeshadow is like a gray?
Yeah, like a grayish blue,
like a smoky gray eye, and her eyebrows match her hair. And like I was saying, I don't know. Yeah, they can kind of see there. She's got those blonde streaks in it. What do you think about her hair?
I think maybe we need to, because it's kind of tingly, maybe give it a little wash.
Yeah.
But from that, I think it's pretty good. Pretty good hair.
Yeah, I think it's a pretty color. Like I said, it had a lot of the thread that was woven in there to hold that down, so that kind of made it a little
flat.
Made her ponytail less than attractive back there. And this is like a gold metallic that's running through there.
Silver too.
Do you think that's silver?
No, this is silver and that's gold.
Oh, okay. All right. So, I think that we covered everything on there.
Yeah.
She does come with a stand. The base is red. It's a saddle stand. And she had this certificate of authenticity that she comes with as well. And like I said, she can, if you wanted to get her out and display her or something at Christmas, you could probably put her back in that box without tearing it up too much. I think that's all. In the comments, I would love to know if you are planning on getting one of these, if you're planning on getting more than one, and which one are you planning on getting. I like the one that has like kind of the long dark hair with a little burgundy in it, but then we were looking at them together and we really liked the Teresa face sculpt because, you know, Teresa's classic. But I really always do like the Generation Girl too. I just think that she's really pretty. So I'm glad I have her. I was kind of hoping maybe on Black Friday they would have maybe a little discount or something on them. And I could pick up a couple more. Some people are putting them on, you know, the made to move bodies and different things like that. So let us know what you're planning on doing with the Holiday Barbie, or if you just really don't like her and you don't want to get her, let us know that too in the comments. Thank you so much for being with us today. And if you haven't subscribed and you liked all stuff and you don't mind hanging out with us, please push that subscribe button. And please remember to like and leave us a comment. And don't forget to
ring that bell.
And like I said, I think that's all we have today. So remember that no matter how many trips you've taken around the sun,
take time to play and have some fun.
And until next time, this has been Nene.
This has been Sophia.
See ya.